Look around you. What do you see? Is it the familiar surroundings of your home, the bustling streets of a city, or perhaps the serene beauty of nature? Every environment tells a story, a narrative woven through time and space. Maybe a bustling city with its towering skyscrapers and endless streams of traffic, or the rolling countryside with its patchwork of fields and meandering rivers. Each scene is a chapter in the grand book of our planet. Perhaps you see the vast, endless expanse of the ocean, its waves whispering secrets of the deep, or the majestic peaks of a towering mountain range, standing as silent sentinels of time. These natural wonders are more than just beautiful landscapes. They are the result of millions of years of geological processes. Everything you see, from the smallest grain of sand to the largest galaxy, is connected by a single fundamental science: geography. This science helps us understand the physical characteristics of our planet and the complex interactions between its various systems. Geography is more than just memorizing capitals and countries. It's a dynamic field that encompasses the study of the Earth's landscapes, environments, and the relationships between people and their environment. It's about understanding the processes that shape our world and how we, in turn, shape it. It's the study of our planet, its diverse landscapes, and its fascinating people. From the arid deserts to lush forests, from the icy tundras to the flowing rivers, geography helps us appreciate the diversity and complexity of our world. It also helps us understand the cultural and social dynamics that define human society. It's about understanding the intricate web of life that connects us all. Every ecosystem, every community, every species is part of a larger interconnected system. Geography helps us see these connections and understand the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. It's about unraveling the mysteries of our past and shaping a better future. By studying ancient civilizations and historical maps, we can learn about the journeys of our ancestors and the evolution of human society. And by planning for the future, we can create sustainable cities and communities that are resilient to challenges. In a world facing unprecedented challenges, geography is not just relevant, it's essential. Climate change, deforestation, urbanization, and resource depletion are just a few of the issues that require a deep understanding of geographical principles. Geography provides the tools and knowledge we need to address these challenges and find sustainable solutions. It's the key to understanding our changing climate, managing our precious resources, and building a more sustainable future. By studying geography, we can learn how to harness renewable energy, manage water resources, and develop sustainable agricultural practices. These are critical skills for ensuring the health and well-being of our planet and its inhabitants. So, buckle up and prepare to embark on an extraordinary journey. Whether you're exploring the natural wonders of the world, delving into the history of ancient civilizations, or planning for a sustainable future, geography offers endless opportunities for discovery and adventure. Let's explore why geography is not just a subject in school, but a vital lens through which we can understand and shape our world. It's a field that inspires curiosity, fosters critical thinking, and empowers us to make informed decisions about the future of our planet. So let's dive in and discover the wonders of geography together. that this beauty is preserved for all to enjoy. From the vibrant spices of India to the rhythmic samba of Brazil, our world is a tapestry woven with diverse cultures. Geography helps us appreciate this richness by exploring the interconnectedness of people and places. It's not just about knowing where countries are located on a map, it's about understanding how geography influences culture, from the food we eat to the languages we speak. It's about recognizing the historical forces that have shaped societies and the challenges they face today. Geography encourages empathy and cross-cultural understanding. It reminds us that despite our differences, we share a common home and are interconnected in countless ways. In an increasingly globalized world, this awareness is essential for fostering peace, cooperation, and mutual respect. Geography is more than just memorizing facts. It's about developing critical thinking skills that are essential for navigating our complex world. When we study geography, we delve into the intricacies of our planet, understanding the relationships between people, places, and environments. This discipline encourages us to think deeply about how we interact with our surroundings and the impact of our actions on a global scale. Think of a geographical problem like a puzzle. Each piece represents a different aspect of the world, whether it's physical landscapes, cultural practices, or economic activities. Just as with a puzzle, the challenge lies in fitting these pieces together to form a coherent picture. This process requires patience, attention to detail, and the ability to see the bigger picture. You have pieces of information scattered across maps, data sets, and historical accounts. These sources provide valuable insights into how our world has evolved over time and how various factors are interconnected. By examining these diverse data points, we can uncover patterns and trends that might not be immediately apparent. Geography equips you with the tools to assemble these pieces, analyze patterns, and draw informed conclusions. It teaches you to approach problems methodically, considering multiple perspectives and potential outcomes. This analytical mindset is crucial for making sense of complex issues, whether they're related to environmental changes, social dynamics, or economic developments. For example, understanding the distribution of resources helps us analyze global trade patterns. By knowing where resources are located and how they're transported, we can better understand the economic relationships between different regions. This knowledge is vital for businesses looking to expand their markets and for policymakers aiming to create fair trade agreements. Analyzing population trends allows us to plan for future urban development. By studying demographic data, we can predict where population growth will occur and what infrastructure will be needed to support it. This foresight is essential for creating sustainable cities that can accommodate the needs of their residents. By studying climate data, we can develop strategies to mitigate the impacts of climate change. Understanding weather patterns, temperature changes, and other climatic factors enables us to create effective policies and practices to protect our environment. This knowledge is crucial for addressing one of the most pressing challenges of our time. Geography empowers us to become critical thinkers, problem solvers, and informed decision makers. It encourages collaboration and communication, as we often need to work with others to gather data, share insights, and develop solutions. These skills are not only valuable in academic settings but also in everyday life, where we constantly face decisions that require careful consideration. These skills are invaluable in any field, from business and politics to science and technology. In business, geographical knowledge can inform market strategies and logistics planning. In politics, it can guide policy decisions and international relations. In science and technology, it can drive innovation and research. Ultimately, geography provides a foundation for understanding our world and making informed choices that benefit society as a whole. Geography is the study of places and the relationships between people and their environments. It seeks to understand where things are found, why they are there, and how they develop and change over time.